Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP. There are many adjectives in the Filipino language. Today, you'll be learning some of the most common ones. Try to use them to be able to express what's on your mind to locals and surprise them. Let's start with malayo. This means far. Ma-la-yo. Malayo. 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 Malayo pa ba? Oo, malayo pa ang bahay ko. Malayo ang bahay mo. The opposite is malapit, which means near. Ma-la-pit. Malapit. 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 Malapit lang ang bahay ko. Malapit na ba tayo? Oo, malapit na. Malapit lang sa town. The next one is pagod. This is tired in English. Pagod. 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 Pagod ka na ba? Pagod na ako. Pagod na siya. Malayo pa ba? Pagod na ako. Mataas is high in English. Ma-ta-as. Mataas. 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 Mataas itong mesa. Mataas po dito. Mataas masyado. Mababa is the opposite. It means low. Ma-ba-ba. Mababa. 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 Mababa masyado ang kama mo. Mababa itong upuan. Mababa ba? These are just some of the most common Filipino adjectives you can use. Now, let's practice. This means far. Malayo. This means near. Malapit. This means tired. Pagod. This means high. Mataas. This means low. Mababa. I hope you find them helpful the next time you talk to some locals. Practice on your own and be ready to surprise them. Thank you for watching. Paalam po.